And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 225. Let me show the halftone filter. Super easy to use. You just go to filter, filter gallery. In the sketch folder you find it. It's called halftone pattern. Let me zoom out. It's going to render your image black and white. And you can adjust it here via size and contrast. In the drop down below there's also a pattern type. If you want to have the typical halftone pattern, make sure it's set to dot, but that should be by default. The other two options are circle and line. Most importantly then is the size, and with the contrast you can adjust brightness and the darker spots here. Usually when you crank up the contrast you can also go a little bit higher with the size. Let me go to around 6 for the size, it should be fine, but you obviously have to adjust that according to the image that you've got and the size that it has. And this is how you can create a halftone pattern in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.